we are. We have the transmission dipstick handy. There's she leaks. So let's try to start her. I still need to bend a new fuel line from the fuel pump to the carburetor. I need to refinish that air cleaner. Plenty of work to do. I'm going to pull her back, Battle. Goes right into gear. That's a week worth of automatic transmission fluid, Battle. Automatic transmission fluid. All right, Battle. Let's take the old 71 on a drive. Well, the alternator's charging. Listen for the shift. There's 1, 2. There's 2, 3. Here's the corner, Battle. I'm gonna keep going. In Oldsmobile we trust. I love the way this car drives, Battle. It's a full-size car. Those Panther platforms that Ford built were aghast of the Detroit auto industry trying to retain this as late as 2011. But now, there aren't any cars like this anymore, full-size rear-wheel drive. I just went to the car show the other day with Bit 64, and we walked up to this car, and I said, well, do you know what kind of car this is? And she said, oh, it's an Oldsmobile. And it was a nice 71 Cutlass. And I was talking to the owner, and he was friendly, but a Cutlass, it's still a far cry from a Delta 88 or a 98. A late model Porsche, for those that are into that kind of thing. This retirement community on the left here. Jeez Louise, that guy hit the curb, Battle. Talk about giving me a heart attack. Probably too busy on his phone. There's an old body style truck there, Battle. Can you see it? Waiting for traffic to clear. I'll give the traffic the benefit of the doubt, since it's the first time the 71 has been out in a while. Now that crazy guy hit the curb. I don't know. Maybe instead of looking at his phone, he was looking at my Oldsmobile. That'd be nice to think, but I'm going to go back by this spot here on the right, Battle, as we go around the corner. Next to the flags. The 71 decided to die one time when I was out with Mama in that turnoff to your right. It's a retirement community. If you read the forums regularly, I posted about it and had some pictures, but had to call for a tow. Oh, great. A dump truck. we're going to give it plenty of space, Battle. Late model Dodge Challenger. See plenty of those at the car show. I actually need new fuzzy dice for this car because the string is frayed there on the left, and some of the dots have fallen off. These were ones I think I bought on Summit or at the local auto parts store. So they don't hold any specialty significance. I actually have a black pair right now with white dots that I think was in the 96. I just don't know if I'm going to put it here in the 71 or in my daily driver. And then I also have a blue pair with white dots that I had in the family Hyundai Palisade. There's a new body style truck that just passed us. You can see that the paint had failed. Here's a late model Corvette with T-tops. And it looked like he had powder coated wheels, Battle. Pretty cool, I guess. You don't see as many of those as you do those late model Dodge Challengers. I don't know how to tell the difference between the standard Corvette and the Z06, the fancy one. When I stop at home, I'll check the temperature. Thanks. They just said nice car. I heard it. Even though it's dirty right now, it's still a nice car. Mission success, Battle. I took her on another ride. All right, let's check the temperature and I'll do it unedited, Battle. My fan is not on. "190 degrees, right where it needs to be." So that's mission success. Thanks for checking out what I was doing in the shop today, Battle. Make sure you check out one of these other videos I did on my 71 Oldsmobile in the past. And I'll see you next time, Battle.